According to the instruction of the Magento website, the next thing to install is Composer, but really I prefer to install at the end because I prefer to install first Apache and second the database and third the PHP. This is the web server that we can install to accomplish the requirements for Magento. I prefer to install Apache because I am familiar with. So let's install. Let's execute the command DNF. But like now Magento is in the sudoers file, so we can execute with sudo command here. I prefer not to work directly with root user, because if you have a mistake pressing something in your keyboard, you can destroy your operating system. So I prefer to do with sudoers. And by the way, if you control the activities, the sysadmin activities over your server, giving a user for each one who works in your support team, you can know who and what do every people in your team. It is a security police. Oh yes, I forgot again the network. Let's go to word settings. Let's turn off on. Okay, and try again. Yeah, here we go. Okay, now let's configure the HTTPD service to start up together the operating system. So this let us to forget about to run or to start the service every time that we restart our server. HTTPD is the name for the Apache service. Okay, and now let's start the service. And now, if you want to allow the remote access from your server, you need to configure the firewall. For this, we need to execute this command. Oh yeah, I forgot to write sudo. and it is okay. And at this point we have installed our Apache server. Let's set Apache option. The first thing is let's verify or enable rewrite module. To do this, let's execute the next command. Okay, and now let's find that model, the rewrite model. Okay, here is. So it is a valid line, it is not commented line. So here we don't have to do anything. Let's go out. And the next thing is enable allow override from the httpd-conf file. And to do this, let's execute the next command. Okay, I have some mistake. HTTP. Conf. Now let's find the block XML block. Next here, and change this noun. I will write all. We must write all instead noun. Save the change. And this allows the file .http access to modify while we are working our website. If we don't do this, the problem will be that all the assets, GS file, CSS files, can't allow to the website, so we can see that that files in our website. And now let's check that we have installed Apache service well, and we need to check. And to do that we will create a hello world basic page. Let's move to the web root directory. Okay, here is an index. Hello world. I have created this document previously, so we only need to check over the web explorer. Let's write localhost. And yes, here we have hello world web page. And with this, we are sure that the Apache service is working okay.